Crafty Angel Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with some Happy Meal from Miss Margaret L. And the box is kind of big, so I can't fit it on my desk because what you're looking at here is all the room that I have right now to craft with, because I have everything everywhere. So to start, we have this creamy eyeshadow from Foria. We have that. We have leather cement, leather glue. We have a face and body paint palette. Dude, y'all have to watch my video where I use this. Okay, so we have that. We have, let me move these up a bit. We have this book here. It's like a stationery book. It has all the parts of the Eiffel Tower on every page. Then we have this book of scrapbook paper, but it's all peacock theme. This makes me dizzy. We have this one. This one. I love this one, but this one's my favorite. Just looking through the book so far. We have that one. This is a chevron one. Then we have the same pattern with the feathers in green, a green background and a blue background, and here's the chevrons again. Then we have these. I think it's a repeat. Let me see. I think it is. No? We have this page, but it's in like a navy blue, and it's showing true to color on the camera. Then we have this one. Here's some more stripes. And here's the last page. So we got that. Ideas are coming. And then we also have some fabrics, and y'all not gonna believe when y'all see it. Okay, first we start off. Let me move the books here somewhere else so I have room. First we have this one here, and this is a napkin, and it's a huge napkin, I can tell you. Just by looking at it, it's gonna fill up the whole camera. Okay. And I'm gonna repackage it so I can put it away for later. Look at that, how pretty. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Look at that, how pretty. And I have an idea for this. Trust me, everything I get, I have ideas. So we're gonna move this one out of the way for now. We have this sari. I'm not gonna pull it out because I don't want to have a hard time putting it back in. So it's a pink or fuchsia with gold leaves. Sorry. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to have a hard time putting it back in. But I want to show it to you guys, so I'm going to take it out. I love you guys. So here's the bottom part of it. And I like this. See, this is the peacock right here. And look how it goes into 2 different colors here. The transition is amazing. And the whole bottom part is all this. Okay, that's that one. Then we have this one, which is a velvet fabric. It's all the same through the whole thing as far as I can see. And I have an idea for that one. This one I'm going to pull out for you guys to show you. This is sari silk, and here's the border here. And it borders the same all the way around. This is a yellow, like a light yellow color. So that'll go good for a couple of projects that I have in mind. And we have some more napkins here. Let's open that up. And see what these look like. Again, there's 4 napkins, I believe. But I want to open it up first to show you guys. Oh my God. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I know what I'm doing with this. And yes, there is 4. They're all the same. I have a good idea for this one coming up. Now, some may be done, some of my projects may be done live. Some may be done pre-recorded. I'm not sure. So be on the lookout. And I want to thank the person and let them know that I really appreciate the Happy Meal. And I believe that is all of it. If I missed anything, I will come back with a second video for this, okay? But I don't believe I missed anything. Okay? So, I will say this in closing. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video or upload any type of content, because I have projects of the yin yang coming. Hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. I'm losing my mind here. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload content or when I go live. I will say this also. Please be safe, be caring, be loving, stay safe, be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.